Have you ever wondered why prisoners come out of jail absolutely jacked using nothing but their cell walls and floor space? The answer lies in one of humanity's oldest and most effective training methods that's been hiding in plain sight. Today I'm going to show you how calisthenics can completely transform your body in ways that expensive gym memberships and fancy equipment simply cannot match. What if I told you that every single piece of equipment you need for an incredible physique is already attached to your body right now? That sounds too good to be true. But stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why calisthenics might be the missing piece in your fitness journey. Let's start with what calisthenics actually is, because most people have no clue. Calisthenics comes from the Greek words meaning beautiful strength, and it's essentially using your own body weight as resistance to build muscle, strength, and endurance. We're talking push-ups, pull-ups, squats, dips, handstands, and hundreds of variations that can challenge even the most advanced athletes. But here's where it gets interesting. While most people are obsessing over how much they can bench press or deadlift, calisthenics practitioners are developing something far more valuable called functional strength. This isn't just about moving heavy objects in a controlled environment. This is about strength that translates directly to real-world movement patterns that you use every single day. Think about it this way. When you do a barbell bench press, you're lying on your back pushing weights straight up. When do you ever do that in real life? But when you do push-ups, you're training the same muscles while also engaging your core, improving your stability, and practicing a movement pattern that actually mimics how you might push yourself up off the ground or push heavy objects in daily life. This functional approach extends to every aspect of calisthenics training. Pull-ups don't just build your back and biceps, they teach your body how to coordinate multiple muscle groups to pull your entire body weight upward. Squats aren't just about leg strength, they're about maintaining proper posture and alignment while moving through a fundamental human movement pattern. And speaking of posture, this is where calisthenics really shines compared to traditional weight training. Most gym exercises isolate specific muscles, which can actually create imbalances that lead to poor posture. But calisthenics forces you to engage your entire body as one integrated system. Every exercise requires core stability, proper alignment, and balanced muscle development. The result? Your posture naturally improves as your body learns to function as it was designed to. Your shoulders pull back, your spine aligns properly, and you develop that confident, upright stance that immediately makes you look and feel better. But the transformation goes way beyond just looking good. Calisthenics training triggers adaptations in your brain that most people never consider. The complex movement patterns and body awareness required for advanced calisthenic skills actually enhance neural connectivity and cognitive function. Your brain has to work harder to coordinate multiple muscle groups, maintain balance, and execute precise movements. This neurological challenge translates into improved focus, better body awareness, and enhanced coordination that carries over into every aspect of your life. You'll notice improvements in your balance, reaction time, and overall movement quality that you simply can't get from sitting on machines at the gym. Let's talk about bone density, because this is crucial as we age. Weight-bearing exercises are essential for maintaining strong bones, and calisthenics provides this stimulus in spades. But unlike weightlifting, where you're limited by external loads, calisthenics allows you to progressively overload your bones and joints through increasingly challenging movement patterns and leverage changes. The beauty of this approach is its accessibility. You don't need a gym membership, expensive equipment, or even much space. A small area in your living room, a park bench, or even a hotel room provides everything you need for a complete workout. This removes every excuse and barrier that typically derails fitness goals. Cost-effectiveness is another game changer. While gym memberships and home equipment can cost thousands of dollars annually, calisthenics is completely free. You might invest in a pull-up bar or resistance bands for variety, but even these are optional. This makes consistent training financially sustainable for virtually everyone. The adaptability factor is where calisthenics really separates itself from other training methods. Whether you're a complete beginner who can barely do one push-up or an advanced athlete looking for new challenges, calisthenics meets you exactly where you are. Beginners can start with wall push-ups and assisted squats, while advanced practitioners can progress to one-arm push-ups, human flags, and other incredible feats of strength. This scalability ensures you'll never outgrow your training method. There's always a more challenging variation, a new skill to master, or a different way to progress. This keeps training engaging and prevents the plateaus that plague other forms of exercise. From a physique standpoint, calisthenics creates a lean, athletic, and proportioned build that looks natural and functional. Because exercises work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, you develop balanced strength and muscle development. The constant core engagement creates a tight, defined midsection, while compound movements boost your metabolism and cardiovascular health simultaneously. The injury prevention benefits are substantial because calisthenics strengthens muscles, joints, and connective tissues through full ranges of motion using natural movement patterns. This creates resilient bodies that can handle the demands of daily life while reducing the risk of common injuries. Your transformation through calisthenics won't just be physical. You'll develop mental toughness, discipline, and confidence that comes from mastering your own body weight and achieving skills that seem impossible to most people. Start with the basics today. Stay consistent and prepare to discover what your body is truly capable of achieving.